Hello children, today we will do back exercises of the chapter 18, The Tempest. Okay, let's start. A. Complete the paragraph. Ferdinand is carrying logs. He tells Miranda that he doesn't mind carrying them because he's carrying them for her. Miranda feels sorry for Ferdinand and asks him to rest a little as her father is studying. She offers to carry the logs for Ferdinand, but Ferdinand says that he can't see her working while he sits around being idle. B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Number 1. I forget, but these sweet thoughts do even refresh my labors. Most busy least when I do it. Number A. Speaker. Who was the speaker? Ferdinand. Who has been being addressed? Miranda. Whose sweet thoughts? His love for Miranda, which makes his labor feel lighter. D. Labor referred to carrying logs as commanded by Prospero. Context number 2. Aside poor worm, though art infected, these visitations shows it. Who was the speaker? Prospero. Poor worm refers to Miranda. Meaning of do artifact? She has fallen in love with the Ferdinand. Visitation being referred to Miranda's love for Ferdinand. Context third. The very instant that I saw you, did my heart fly to your service. There resides to make me slave to it, and for your sake am I this patient logman. Who was the speaker? Ferdinand. Who is being addressed? Miranda. Meaning of my heart fly to your service is he fell in love with her immediately and is devoted to her. The speaker is a slave to his love for Miranda, which makes him willingly endure hardships. Answer these questions. Why is Ferdinand positive about carrying logs? Because he is in love with Miranda and thinking of her makes his labor feel light and pleasant. Question number 2. How does Miranda feels when she sees Ferdinand carrying logs? She feels sorry for him and wishes to help him. Question number 3. What does Miranda offer to do for Ferdinand? Answer. She offers to carry the logs for him. Question number 4. What does it reveals about him? Answer. It shows that he is chivalrous and honorable, and as he refused to let Miranda do hard labor. Question number 5. What does Ferdinand say about Prospero? He respects him but sees his command to carry logs as a test of his patience and love. Question number 6. What does Ferdinand say about the other women he has known? He says that though he has seen many women, none compared to Miranda, who is perfect and peerless. Question number 7. How does Ferdinand describe Miranda? Answer. He calls her so perfect and so peerless and says she possesses the best qualities of all creatures. Question number 8. Who makes a marriage proposal and to whom? Answer. Miranda proposed marriage to Ferdinand. Question number 9. Why does Miranda cry? What does this tell about her? What does this tell you about her? Answer. She cries because she is overwhelmed with happiness. This shows her innocence, sincerity, and deep emotions. Question number 10. Write a character sketch of Miranda. So answer is Miranda is innocent, kind, deeply loving, having grown up in isolation. She has a pure heart. She is also strong-willed as seen when she boldly proposed to Ferdinand. Question number 11. What opinion do you form for Ferdinand? Answer. Ferdinand is noble, honorable, and deeply devoted for Miranda. He is willingly to endure hardships for love and treats Miranda with great respect. Question number 12. How do you think Prospero feels as he overhears the conversations between his daughter and the Ferdinand? Answer: he is pleased and satisfied knowing that their love is genuine and part of his larger plan. That's all for today. Thank you, children. Bye bye.